tomorrow is Wednesday, and Wednesday is a very special day for me because that is going to be my first live event, my very first time when I'm going to be going and getting people in and listening to me speak in person at the University of Auckland about finance. So, what's the story behind this? As you guys might know, I've now got my first course up online on Podia. It's there, it's ready to sell, it's all good to go. It's a great course though, you guys should definitely check it out. It's actually on teaching people how to go and come up with the right sort of holistic life goals that suit their lives, and then pulling their spending habits in to help you achieve those life goals. But enough about that. The short story is, okay, you've got a great course, but you want to make sales. And in order to make sales, you need to have contacts. You need to have people trust you because you've gone and built up a reputation. You've shown them that you've got value to offer, and you're consistently offering that value to them. You also have to have their email addresses. So I'm getting started by holding free events. And the very first event is on tomorrow. We started planning it a week ago. Well, a week and 2 days. It took us 2 days to decide on the venue, which was a bit of an issue. We've had a real amount of trouble so far because we've tried a lot of different marketing strategies and we haven't had much success. We've posted in a whole bunch of different relevant Facebook groups. We have been contacting different community groups. We've been putting up posters, posting it in Korean groups and Vietnamese groups, and Indian groups, with our local sort of background. We've been going and putting it out in a lot of different ways, and we've had minimal success so far. There's a lot of different methods. And what it's come to today is we've got around about 20 people that have registered, and I want about 100 people to attend. You do the maths, it just doesn't add up. So today what we're going to be doing is something a bit different. We're going to be hitting the streets, we're going to be hitting the lunch areas, we're going to be hitting the lecture theatres and talking to people. Talk. Get it out there. Have conversations. You should come along to this event. This is why. This is when it is. Free food, prizes. Come. So I'm going to be going with one of my interns today to get this sorted. We're going to be going out there in person and actually just doing the marketing. But at the same time, we've also got to get the content sorted for tomorrow, or else we'll have a big lecture, theatre full of people without much to say. So I'm having to strike a bit of a balance right now between marketing, sales, get people in the door, and when people are in the door, actually being able to handle things properly. So that's the balance that's going on right now. So as you would have seen, I haven't been uploading much to YouTube in a while because I've been focusing on just trying to get this business off the ground. And while YouTube is amazing and I see it as the future, right now it's not the present because it's not going to get 100 people in the door. So if you are watching this and you'd love to come to the live event, it is on Wednesday, 6 p.m, University of Auckland. Please pre-register. There'll be a link below in the description. And I'll look forward to updating you guys on how it goes. I'll also be live streaming this event for people who can't attend in person. But if you live stream, you won't go and get access to the prizes, so better to come. Anyway, it's exciting. This event that I'm going for is specifically targeted to help people who are likely to fall prey to some overhyped investments, and helping people see the basic sorts of rules. It's like for crypto, the person who has the wallet is the person that owns the currency, that has control over it. Basic sort of rule gets neglected. And I think that as well, a lot of people have lost money on crypto, and you need to be very aware of what the actual risks are before you dip your toes in. A lot of people aren't, they get burned, but the people who are aware and treat it appropriately can do well with it. On other angles of things I'll be talking about, well, let's just say multi-level marketing schemes, I've got a strong opinion on them. Scam. But yeah. So, it's going to be a fun evening. I'm looking forward to it, but we've got a last big push to do today. I'm actually really tired, but we just have to get over it, get it done, get it out there, and live a balanced, holistic life while doing it. That's really the tricky part. So, thanks everybody for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.